everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I am sharing this beautiful Zara wig. This is by Jon Renau and this is actually Zara Lite. I have had one Zara before a long time ago, and I have not had a Zara since. And I wanted to try Zara in a light. As you guys know, Jon Renau came out and has come out periodically with the Lite collection, and they've added additional styles with that light cap construction. Light meaning it has that ear-to-ear lace front, and then it has a lighter density, and the whole thing is hand-tied. Now, this wig is actually from Chiquel hair. You guys have to check them out. I will have the links down below. But let's talk about this beautiful color. I have tried this color in a number of different wigs, and I really do love this color. This is Palm Springs Blonde by Jon Renau, and the code is FS17/101S18. Palm Springs Blonde is one of the 4 California blondes that came out a handful of years ago, not even a handful. And the California blondes, they are quite popular, and I would say Palm Springs is one of my favorites out of the 4 California blondes. It is definitely a beautiful blonde. In fact, let's talk about this blonde and then we will move on to Zara Lite. So Palm Springs is your light ash blonde with pure white natural violet bold highlights. And this is shaded with a dark natural ash blonde. I mean, this looks like your light brown or dark blonde, and it definitely is ashy. I do love the ashy root with the platinum. You do have that light ash, you have that pure white natural violet blonde highlighted. It is a beautiful, very light, gorgeous blonde color. Now, Zara has always been a very popular style from Jon Renau, and they decided to, add the light cap in the popular Zara wig, and I'm so happy about that. I knew that the Zara wig had some density to it, although, equally gorgeous and natural looking. But I do love that this light has an even lighter density, more natural, and it does have that gorgeous lace front that's ear to ear. And this is fully hand tied, which I will show you guys a closer look when I take this wig off. This wig has beautifully luscious layers. As you can see, you have these layers that frame the face, and you have these long layers all throughout. In fact, let's do a full turnaround so you can see these layers and the length from all angles. Now, Zara Lite is your average size cap. This fits me really well. I wear average in Jon Renau wigs and most wig brands, and this fits me true to size. So I would say that this Zara Lite is true average, because I feel like from ear to ear, from front to nape, it fits me, spectacularly. It just feels really good. Now, the product weight on Zara Lite is 4.8 ounces. The hair fiber is traditional synthetic, so you do want to be mindful of heat. You do not want to singe or melt the fiber, and you want to use a wide tooth comb. Using a wide tooth comb on these fibers, it's going to help detangle and be more gentle and help make the fibers look and feel good for as long as possible. Now let's take this wig off and show you guys the underside. So you have this beautiful ear-to-ear lace front. I mean, it wraps around the ear tab. See that? And this is individually hand-tied. You have these polyurethane ear tabs, so you can use adhesive on here if you'd like. And then you have this full monofilament top. This is individually hand-tied. It's meant to look like natural hair growth. I mean, you can part this every which way. You can do creative styling, and it looks like it's growing out of your head. Now, the most luxurious thing about these caps are that this is all individually hand tied. You have this very comfortable stretch section, and then you have this really nice non-slip silicone nape. This is fantastic for ensuring a comfortable and secure fit. You do have the adjusters at the nape, so you can loosen and tighten this wig, make it feel more secure and fit your head more true to size. Now, of course, because of this fully hand-tied cap, you do have the most natural movement, and you know, the hair just flows and moves like it's growing out of your head, and it looks amazing. Now look at this gorgeous color up close. I do not have any natural light coming in because it is dark, but this is a ring light, and you can see the variation of color, the depth, the dimension of that Palm Springs blonde. It is so beautiful. Here's a closer look of that lace front. They do a fantastic job. It looks so good. You can see the layering. This is just a very beautiful, nice, light, natural, long style. The front of Zara is 11.5 inches. Your crown is 16.5 inches. Your sides are 17 inches. The back is 16.5 inches. And your nape is 16 inches. This is a long wig. It could have the potential of getting friction frizz. So like I mentioned, put that wide tooth comb, that Jon Renau wide tooth comb in your purse, in your travels. You can, you know, give it a nice comb throughout the day. Use your Jon Renau detangler. I love this stuff. Use that before every wear. And at the end of the day, when you want to pack it up or put it on your wig stand, those are some products that I really love with my Jon Renau wigs that I swear by for maintenance. But anyway, you guys can get those products, and you can get this wig over at Chiquel Hair. I highly suggest you guys go check that out. I will have the links down below. Let me know what you guys think about Zara Lite by Jon Renau. Have you tried Zara Lite? And what do you think about Zara Lite versus the original Zara? I'd love to know your thoughts. Give me your thoughts on this color. I know it's been out for a while. I have shared it in a few other wigs. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.